Hey, what up, man?
Hey.
Hey, man, I'm just shooting a little footage on YouTube, man, for the entrepreneurs and the people that coming up. Man, how long you been messing with cars, man?
Oh, man, I've been in this business 40 years, too long.
40 years. It's profitable, though, coming to the junkyard?
I sent kids through college.
Yeah, okay. How easy it is to get parts out here?
How?
Like parts, profitable, like,
well,
versus going to, like, AutoZone, the store and stuff like that.
Well, as long as you know what you're looking for.
Yeah.
And, you know, you have to consider time along with money.
Okay,
you know,
okay.
So you got to go and take 4 of them parts out to get one good one, then you might went to work for somebody.
Okay. So you saying you got to double check the parts, make sure it works.
You got to have some part knowledge. You don't just go grab stuff out because everything work off VIN numbers and people don't know how to interchange. They gonna work hard.
Yeah, okay. Nice meeting you, man. I'm just giving them the knowledge of what go on.
Well, don't put me on there unless you gonna give me a profit.
I appreciate that.
They see me, you might get 2 million views.
Okay then.
Hey, bless, my man.